Rosie, I cannot believe you turned yourself to Rosie the teeth girl, burned down my house. That is so unbelievable. That's it. I'm calling the police. Turn yourself back to normal right now.
Okay, fine.
Hello, is this the police? Yes, I have caught Rosie the teeth girl, but she is turned back to normal, and she also burned down my house. Please come and arrest her. Okay, thank you. Bye. The police are coming to arrest you, and before the police arrest you, I have one question for you. Why did you turn yourself, Rosie the teeth girl, and destroy Goanimate City?
Because you grounded me for no reason at all, so that's why I decided to do this.
Rosie, you are under arrest for turning yourself Rosie the Teeth Girl and destroying Goanimate City. Come with me right now.
No. I don't want to go to jail.
Okay, Rosie, you will be staying in jail for 4 months, and don't you even think about escaping.
Thanks for watching.